Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download PDF from paid website. So in case that you're looking for an application or a tool that can help you download a not free PDF file, then I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's just say if you are on a website where you want to download a PDF, yet you need to subscribe to a plan or you need to pay for something. Let's just say for this site right here, as you can see, there is this download button right here, but on the right side you can see download free for 30 days. So let's just say if you want this PDF or if you need this PDF, and if you tap on the download button, click PDF, it will take you directly to subscribe in order for you to download this. However, if you want to download a document, then you need a free trial. Now, for the free trial, you cannot just basically download it right away. For the free trial, you need to add your payment method, though they will not get anything from your payment method or from the payment method, but you cannot proceed, you cannot download it without adding the payment method here on your account. So as you can see, if I continue download with free trial, let's just say this one is for free. If I tap this one right here, it will take me directly to this where I need to activate my free trial. And as you can see, I need to add this information in order for me to proceed or start with my free trial. Now, if it's okay with you, then you can proceed with your start free trial, or you can start your free trial. You can add a number right here, your PayPal, and so on. But if you don't want to add any payment method, or if you don't want to add any information there, then I'm going to show you the easiest and quickest way on how to download a PDF from a paid website. So as you can see on the left side, there are options here. If you tap on download, it's the same thing. You need to subscribe. So if you go back, here is another option, which is the share. If you tap on the share button right here, you will see the option like if you want to share Facebook, share it to other application or website. There is this copy link right here. So all you have to do is to click that copy link. And then as you can see, link copied, you have to make sure of that. Open a new website and then go to subscribe, or let's just say SCRP downloader. You have to click that one. So you have to select from any of this here. Click this website, and what you're going to do is you need to paste that URL from that specific paid website. So right click paste and then tap on download. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So as you can see here, you need to make sure that the URL is correct, and you need to verify that you're 100% human. So you have to click that box right there and then tap on the download button again. So once you tap on the download button, you have to wait for a couple of seconds, and you should see the download button again. Click it one, and then you should see a pop-up notification that it is now starting to download. Once done, you can go to your download folder and then you can open the file. So if not, then it will take you again to another site where you need to tap on the download file again. So all you have to do is just keep on tapping the download file or download button till you see the notification that your file is downloaded. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And if I tap on the download file right here, then I should see that it is now starting to download. You have to verify again that you're 100% human and then proceed with the download button. Okay, now go to your download folder and you should see that PDF. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. Okay, so you have downloaded your PDF without subscribing to their website and so on. So another thing is that if you're looking for a specific PDF file, not this one, you can go back to the paid website, go to the search icon, and then look for that specific file that you want to download. So let's just say if you're looking for story PDF, or let's just say literature and so on. So just search for that here and then select that specific file. And again, this file is not for free. If you tap this file right here, and then you need to download it again for free, and you need to activate your free trial if you tap on the download button. So again, what you're going to do is go to the left side and then you have to look for the share icon there or share button. And then you have to copy the URL. Make sure that you have copied the link or the URL. And same thing, go to that specific website, which I have showed you earlier. Paste the link and same thing, you just have to easily download the URL or the link that you have copied from that paid website. Okay, so make sure that the URL is correct and then just tap on download. You can review if this is the correct file. You can see it before you can download it fully. And then once then that's it. So basically, all you have to do is to look for that specific website or paid website. Make sure that you can see that URL or share, or you can copy the link and then go to a website or tool that can help you download that URL or that link. Then you can just get that file for free. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.